y'all know what we're doing. We're doing our hair, and today I'm trying a different wig. Never tried this color before. It's new to me, so it's gonna be new to y'all. For me, for y'all, because I figured I don't really do color, so I wanted to like spice it up a little bit and try a colored wig. So that's what we're doing today. It's not too crazy because, you know, baby steps, we're getting our feet wet. So I have this reddish brown wig from Aligrace, and it is a lace front wig. It's a 13 by 4 26-inch jerry curly lace wig. All I did to this wig was bleach the knots. And when I did that, the roots kind of lost some of the color. But I did bleach the knots, and then I just washed it and I let it dry. So this is just after a wash. So there's a comb here, 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 and one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. I'm going to pull the strap. I want to crisscross it. Not even crisscross it. I'm just going to take one all the way to the other side. So I don't have my hair braided down. It's just in this ponytail, which I am going to lower the ponytail. I should do that right now before I try the wig on, right? I'm trying to see if I want to put a wig cap on or not, because my hair is not reddish brown. So I'm just going to do my ponytail like this, and hopefully the wig is snug enough that'll make that lay flat. So this is her. This gives like Little Mermaid, but with the black girl, with Hallie. Okay, so this is the wig. Y'all can already see, like, the hairline is cute, but because my hairline is so low, the hairlines never work for me. So we're going to be working from like here to here. But this is cute. I'm going to put some makeup on this lace though, because it don't blend. I'm just using some powder, foundation, and a brush. Let's see. Okay, it made a little difference, but now it just looks like ashy. These curls are really cute. So I'm gonna put, not that it even matters because it's so sheer. And I'm just gonna do it like that, and then tuck this behind my ear, because if I don't, it'll just split and all will be lost. Look at that piece up. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. It's looking like something. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to think about what the girls do. Do I spray and then melt it and then cut the lace off? I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. So I'm gonna clip this hair back, because I feel like I'm supposed to spray first and then cut the lace. Okay. Alright, wish me luck, because I can already see the cap rolling up. But if I do it right, I'ma cover it. All right. Okay. We're gonna try right here, and I'ma spray. Look at all that. Okay, we're gonna see. We're gonna spray. Alright. And then, yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this band on. I have so many of these bands, y'all. Alright. So I'm just too impatient to wait. It's not up close enough. Uh-oh. And it's still down on me. Alright. So I gotta get rid of all this. I should have cut all this off before. Okay. Okay, confused. Now I want all this lace off. Okay, wow, that looks good. That don't look half bad right there. It's these sides that's gonna be very tricky. These not gonna be shown anyway, I hope. Alright, I'm gonna cut some of this hair off. It's okay. Alright. I do not want this hair to be frizzy, so I'm trying not to disrupt the curls. Okay, so what I'm gonna end up doing is spraying some more spray and then putting that elastic band back on. This is tricky. This band back on. If just winging it was a person, it'd be me. So if I were a middle part, the sides kind of hide themselves. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the hair. Really pretty. It's really pretty. Now I need to like lay the roots down, but the sides are a little more hidden. Like you can see it, but not if I like pull this hair down, you know. Oh, this is cute. This is different. This is cute. This is different. Yeah. I just need me like a little middle part. Wait. And I like that it's curly from the root. That's why I hate putting the hot comb to like curly hair roots, because then it's straight. And I like that it's like curly, but I need to add a little something to the roots. Or do I? Can I just stick my comb in it? Like that. Look at that. I go in with some water. I'm going in with a little bit of water to like flatten it, because I don't want to add any heat to it, because I still want it to be nice and curly. So I'm just using water. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Okay, kind of like this. Now this wouldn't really be practical for me to go out because the wind would blow and then it'll blow my whole cover. So I would need to figure out something. I feel like if I get my hair braided, it'll be nice and snug, so I'll at least be able to have like a clean hairline because it'll be pulled back. But this is cute. And I don't normally do like curly hair like this. Okay, let's lift it up a little bit and then pull it down some. Okay, this might be better. I pulled it down a whole lot. Okay, let's put the hairspray back on it. Because I pulled it down some. I think this is better. Because it's down a little further. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay, I like this better. It just had to sit a little lower on my hairline. This is how long it is. It's 26 inches, so I'm sure it's 26 inches like straightened. Yeah, because it's like this long. And these are the curls up close. Really gorgeous hair. So y'all let me know what you think. I feel like I look like a lion. But yeah, I'll be sure to list all of Aligrace's hair. There's a piece of hair on my lip. But yeah, I'll be sure to list all of Aligrace's information in the description box for you guys, as well as a link to the hair that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was all over the place. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.